Let's talk weather, our chance of any storms maybe over the weekend, and what fireworks forecasts might look like for tomorrow night. Meteorologist Jeff Ray is in for Scott tonight. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Doug, let's talk about that weekend forecast. First, let me show you the sun setting today because there was a little bit of dust in the air. It was really a little bit of Sahara dust that we had much worse last week, and this was a glancing blow of that dust. In fact, from the hill country down to Houston tomorrow, the dust is going to be pretty thick. It's not going to be a problem here, certainly for the fireworks. The only thing will be in the sky besides the fireworks tomorrow night is the full moon. It's almost a full moon tonight, in fact. But that 98 today, well, that tied for the hottest day of the year so far. But of course, the big difference today was the humidity, or I should say, the lack of the humidity. First off, on the current radar, you can see there were some thunderstorms this evening. Nothing like yesterday's show, last night's show, but those thunderstorms that were producing some strong winds and some very heavy rain across parts of Hunt County and out towards Delta County. But they have since died down over in Hopkins County as well. Just a little bit of a light rain in its wake, and soon that will be gone as well. Okay, here's the difference between today and the last couple of days, because Wednesday and yesterday, those were the highest dew points we had seen in 3 years. And what I mean by dew point is how much moisture is in the air. And when those dew points are in the upper 70s like that, it is incredibly muggy. And that's why we had heat advisories out, not because of the temperature, but because of that humidity. The heat advisory, heat index, is a combination of heat and humidity, and either one, a high number, will get you it to that 105, which is considered dangerous out there. Well, we didn't have that today, and we're not going to have it over the weekend. Now, temperatures tomorrow will be in the mid-90s. We'll be in the mid-90s on Sunday. Now, notice there's some storm chances, so let's talk about that. It's scattered in our northeast counties, kind of where the storms were today. That's the better chance of thunderstorms for tomorrow and actually for Sunday as well. It's spotty chances across the Metroplex, probably closer to 20%. There is a weak frontal boundary that is going to be kind of draped over North Texas this weekend, and because of that, we're going to have to be dealing with at least the chance of thunderstorms. And you can see with that front lingering through all weekend, you don't see a lot of coverage there, so no one's going to get washed out for 4th of July. There could be a brief thunderstorm that comes through, but most areas are going to stay dry through the whole time. It's just seasonably warm temperatures. These spotty storms that are cropping up, well, you know, they're going to be hit or miss during the afternoon, but at least we're talking about that lower humidity, which I'm sure everybody is enjoying. I know those are July temperatures, but in the wake of the drier air that's come in, that's like good news. 93 on Monday and Tuesday, and then starting on Wednesday, we're getting right back to hot and dry conditions. In fact, by Friday, it's into the upper 90s and only getting hotter from there.
We appreciate the heads up. Jeff Ray, thank you.